ruins your overall appearance is having a dull face. The first thing anyone sees before anything else is your appearance first of all, and then of course your face. Your face is part of your appearance. So if you have a very dull looking face, it makes you look like you're sad, you're unkept, you're unpolished, you're not proper. So take some time every day, whether you're in the house or outside the house, to take care of the face. So wash your face, ensure it is properly moisturized. You don't necessarily have to wear makeup. Just ensure that your face is properly moisturized with the right serum. Ensure that you wear sunscreen all the time so that you prevent hyperpigmentation. And if you're really hyperpigmented, ensure that you use things that help you just even out your skin tone. So you want to always ensure that your skin is looking very supple, very fresh, very bright, so that when everyone looks at you, they can see that you're alive and well. Do not neglect the lips. Always put on some lip balm or some lip gloss to add some much needed shine to the lips as well.